Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Sketchup tutorial how to create scan. If you want to create scan, you can go to the rec bar. There are the scan tools and I will add one scan. You can click plus icons to add new scan and will be appear for the scan one tab. I will change again view like into this view. Click plus icons to add new scan. And for the scan 3, I will set in the top like this and click plus icon again to create scan. So you can click, this is for the scan 1, scan 2, and then scan 3. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial, how to create scan. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.